Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change content maturity setting on Roblox. Roblox allows you to control content maturity to ensure the game's chats and the social interactions you see are age appropriate. By adjusting this setting, you can access older user games or restrict content for younger audiences. First of all, launch open Roblox on your mobile device or your tablets and sign in with your account credentials. Once you are signed into the home page, go ahead and tap on the More menu at the top left or at the bottom right, wherever it is placed, and once you're inside the More menu, click on the Settings button. Under Settings, tap on Privacy and Content Restrictions. On the next page, select Content Maturity. Now, you will come across this interface over here. Go ahead and select your content maturity level for your account. You can choose from minimal, mild, moderate, or restricted. If you choose to keep it restricted, then only adults aged 18 or older have access to restricted experience. In order to choose the restricted option, you need to verify your age. Click on Verify Now and follow through the instructions. Accounts under 13 years old have automatic restrictions and cannot access mature content. Go ahead and choose the maturity of the content according to your preference, and once you are done, you can get back to the home page and start playing the game. That way you can easily and successfully change the content maturity setting on Roblox. Now your account will show games and interactions according to your selected age or experience level. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.